How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Here's how. To start off, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Here click on the three horizontal lines in the top right. Now scroll down to who can see your content section and select hide story and live. Furthermore, choose hide story and live from again. Likewise, select all followers to hide your story from everyone temporarily. Hit done, then go back and tap on your profile picture to create a new story. Upload the content you want to include in your highlight. Then tap your story. Once the story is shared, hit the three dot icon at the bottom right and select highlight. Now choose an existing highlight or create a new one. Again go back and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Head back to the settings by clicking on the three horizontal lines. Under who can see your content, click on hide story and live. Again click on the same option. Lastly, deselect all followers so your future stories are visible again. And hit done. With this step, you now know how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story.